Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add signature in Gmail. And yeah, for us to proceed, let's head over to our settings here, click see all settings, and then let's go ahead and scroll down and we're going to go ahead and look for a signature. So there you go. Go ahead and click the create new button right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and call this one Vlad's signature and click create, and there you go. So from this point forward we can go ahead and start creating a new one. And yeah, if say for example you don't have a template, you can head over to Google really and just find like any signature maker right here. There are quite a lot of them, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the one from HubSpot. Click create my signature right here, click templates, and then there are different options. I usually like to be simple, so I'm going to click this one right here, click create signature, and let's go ahead and type or add the um, basic information of ours. So I'm going to go ahead and call here. All right, and then for the phone number, so let's go ahead and try that. Website, and then email. All right, for the address, I'm going to skip this one right now. And then you have the option to enter your social media here. So you can go ahead and click this one here if, say, for example, there are more fields that you want to add. But basically, those are the things that I am okay with. So I'm going to click next right here. And then you have the option to add your profile picture as well, and so many others. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click create signature right here. Click confirm and submit. All right, there you go. So now I can go ahead and copy the signature, and then I can go ahead and paste it here. So if, say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and see this one, I am going to delete this. And yeah, I should be good to go. So yeah, click save changes right here. I'm going to close this one, click compose right here. Oops, one thing that we forgot, by the way, is try to enable the use of signature. So I'm going to close this one for now. For new emails, choose that, and yep, click Save Changes, click Compose, and you can see that now we have the signature here created. So yeah, that's how you're going to add signature in Gmail.